Spelling group number 3. Welcome back. I hope you're having a good morning. It's Friday. You get to turn everything in and have 2 days off. No work. Okay? Okay. You're having a real spelling test today. I hope you guys practiced. I hope you guys are ready. And I'm going to give you 10 spelling words. Okay? Now, you guys are older this year. You're my oldest group. I should be able to go a little bit faster when I say my spelling words. I shouldn't have to wait for you to try and remember, because that's what writing the words 6 times each helps you to commit it to memory. So it should just flow out of you nicely. And if you know all your rules and you know your phonograms, which you should by this time, then it should come quickly. So I'm not gonna to keep the video not from getting too long, I'm going to say the words quickly. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time waiting for you to write it. So make sure you get a clean piece of line paper. Write your name and date, 9/4/20, September 4th, 2020. And on the top of your paper, I want you to write spelling test number 7. Okay? Spelling test number 7. I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to give you 10 words. Five, all of yesterday's 5, plus the other 5 are from starting from Monday to Thursday. I'm going to just pick a few here and there. Okay, so number 1, your word is demand. Demand. I'm not going to do syllables. You should be able to do your own syllables. Okay, demand. Please do not demand anything. Ask. Okay. Number 2, the word is village. Village. The literature book we're going to be reading will take place in a small village in Switzerland. Village. I can't wait to start the book. Can you? Village. Number 3, your word is women. Women. Women is plural for woman. Women. That's number 3. Number 4 is woman. 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 Woman is singular. 1. Both of them are considered nouns. Nouns is something that someone, something, or an idea. That's a noun. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is priest. We call the priest to come and pray for us. Priest. Okay. After the word priest is teacher. The word is teacher. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's number 6, teacher. Number 7, your word is guide. We paid someone to guide us through this tourist city. Guide. Guide. That was was that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was 7, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. I'm sorry. That was 6. That was number 6. Guide. Number 7 is, let me see, thought. I thought we were going to all come back to school. Thought. That's number 7. Thought. Number 8, the word is there. I want you to put the ball over there. There. Remember, there's 2 words that sound exactly the same, but they have different meanings. That, I believe, was number 8, right? Number 8, 7, 8, 2 more. Number 9 will be balance. Balance. Don't lose your balance on the boat. Balance. That's number 9. And number 10 is something. 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 I have something to tell you. Something. Okay. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake and I gave you 10. So if I didn't give you 10 and it's 9, don't worry about it. Okay, I think I counted correctly though. Okay, I hope your name and date is on the paper. Spelling test number 7 is on top of the paper. Put that in your multi-subject folder. I will correct it today when you bring it. And go ahead and get your spelling books out. I'm going to give you 5 new words for Monday's test. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So we are in section N. In your book, we are in section N2. N2. And we are on number, you should be, if your paper is folded down the middle, I already gave you 10 words. We're going to start on the second row, not the second page, the second side, okay? But I'm going to write over here, but you guys are going to be writing on this side of your page. Your first new spelling word is angel. 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 Okay? Go ahead and write that. And when you finish writing it, look up and see if you spelled it correctly. Compare it to mine. Okay? Don't wait till I write it. You try to write it. Okay? Angel. Angel. Okay. Okay. I'm looking at my notes here. God may say ja. Okay, let's look at the first syllable. The first syllable, we have a vowel that says A. But isn't that a little weird? Because usually a vowel will say the second sound when it's last, not when it's first. So why do you suppose it's saying its second sound? Usually when words do not follow rules, it's because it's not an English word, okay? This is not the root, the root of this word is not English, it's actually Greek. This word is a Greek. It comes from, you don't have to write this, just for your information. Angelos is a Greek word for angels, and it's a Greek word, okay? So it doesn't follow any rules, but we need to let people know why we're using it, that it's pronounced A and not an. So we're going to put a 2. That's for the second sound because the letter A has 3 sounds, a, It's the second sound, so we're going to put number 2 for the second to signify that it's a second sound. Okay, and then we have angel. Okay, this vowel has 2 sounds, ga, ja. Ga may say its second sound before a vowel. That's why it's saying its second sound. It'll say the second sound before a vowel. We don't have to mark it. You just have to know why it says. You can do a little underline, just a little one, not a big one, just a little one, to let us know that it's a second sound. You can do that. Okay? Your next word is, your next word is excuse. 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 2 syllables. Excuse. Go ahead and write it, and I'll write mine. excuse. Okay. The first syllable, no multi-letter phonograms, no silent letters, no second sounds. So we leave it alone. Cues. We have a silent E. You know what we do? We double underline. Okay. Rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, number 1, it tells us the vowel to say its second sound. Is it doing that? You. Excuse. Yes, it's saying its second sound. So it's rule number 1. Okay. And the other, listen to this. Excuse. It's not saying s, it's saying this consonant has two sounds. S, z. It sounds like a Z, huh? Okay, so you put a 2, signifying that it's saying its second sound. Your next word is offer. Off, fur. Off, fur. Offer. Offer. The first syllable, no multi-letter phonograms, no silent letters, no second sounds. We leave it alone. Fur. I hope that you guys found the multi-letter phonogram because this was an easy one. Her as in her. And that's it. The next one, listen carefully. Question. Question. Do you have a question? Question. On. Question. That's not how we say it, but I'm saying it so you can hear the sounds correctly. Question. On. We say question, but we spell question. 3 syllables. Question. Question. Okay. First syllable. You guys see that multi-letter phonogram? What is it? Q. Q needs a U. U is not a vowel here. Okay. Q. Q. Yeah. Q. Q needs a U. U is not a vowel here. No silent letters. No second sounds. No more phonograms. So we're done. T. This vowel is saying its first sound. I, question. T. We don't have to mark it. We don't mark the first sounds. On. Question. It's saying it has 3 sounds. On. It's saying the first sound. We don't have to mark it either. So that's it. Okay. It looks harder than what it really is, but as long as you know that it's question. On the day of the test, I'm not going to say question. I'm going to say question. And you're going to be able, you're going to say quest, and you're going to spell quest. Then you're going to say spell on. You're going to say it, not me. I'm going to say question, okay? And the last one, easy peasy. Pray. Pray every day without ceasing. Pray. Pray. 1 syllable. Okay? There is a multi-letter phonogram. You guys know what it's called? A 2-letter A that we may use at the end of an English word. A 2-letter A that we may use at the end of an English word. A only has 1 sound, but it has a rule that goes with it, and it's used only at the end of an English word. Okay, those are your 5 new spelling words. Be able to read them: angel, excuse, offer, question, and pray. Okay, write those 6 times each. And be ready for your test on Monday. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, group 3.